Shopping for a 4K streaming device can be surprisingly confusing. Some offer better picture quality, others focus on speed, and a few include smart features that can completely change the way you use your TV. So which one is actually worth buying? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best 4K streaming devices of 2026 to help you make the right choice. Stay with me until the end because I'll reveal which product is my overall top recommendation. To create this list, I compared each device based on real-world streaming performance, picture quality, ease of use, voice control, wireless connectivity, overall value, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Let's get started. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Google TV Streamer 4K. Kicking off our list is the Google TV Streamer 4K, a great option for anyone who wants more than just a streaming player. What makes this device unique is how it blends entertainment with smart home functionality. Along with giving you quick access to your favorite streaming apps, it also lets you control compatible smart home devices directly from your TV. Voice search is fast and accurate, making it easy to find movies, TV shows, or even check the weather without picking up your phone. Its generous built-in storage also gives you more room for apps compared to many compact streaming sticks. Pros: excellent Google TV interface, smart home integration, fast voice search, plenty of storage for apps. If you're already invested in the Google ecosystem or want your TV to double as a smart home control center, this is an excellent choice. But if you prefer Roku's simple interface and compact design, the next device is worth considering. Number 4. Roku Streaming Stick Plus. Coming in at number 4 is the Roku Streaming Stick Plus, a compact streaming device that's built for simplicity and dependable performance. Its slim design hides neatly behind your television, creating a clean setup while still delivering crisp 4K HDR streaming on compatible TVs. Long-range Wi-Fi helps reduce buffering by maintaining a stronger connection even when your router isn't located in the same room. The Roku interface remains one of the easiest streaming platforms to navigate, making it ideal for users of all experience levels. Pros: compact and discreet design, sharp 4K HDR picture quality, reliable wireless performance, beginner-friendly interface. This is a great choice for anyone who wants reliable 4K streaming without unnecessary complexity. If you're looking for a more powerful streaming experience, the next device raises the bar. At number 3, we have the Roku Ultra, Roku's premium streaming player built for serious entertainment enthusiasts. Performance is where this device really shines. Apps launch quickly, menus feel incredibly responsive, and support for Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos helps compatible TVs and sound systems deliver an immersive viewing experience. The rechargeable Voice Remote Pro is another standout feature, offering backlit buttons that are incredibly useful during movie nights, while Bluetooth support makes private listening easy with compatible headphones. Pros: fast and responsive performance, premium picture and audio support, rechargeable Voice Remote Pro, excellent for home theater systems. If you want Roku's most feature-rich streaming player and have a premium TV setup, the Ultra is an outstanding option. But our next pick offers incredible value for everyday users. Number 2. Roku Streaming Stick HD. Taking the runner-up position is the Roku Streaming Stick HD, a simple and affordable streaming device that's easy to recommend. Its biggest advantage is convenience. Setup only takes a few minutes, the voice remote makes searching for content effortless, and Roku's clean interface makes streaming enjoyable for users of all ages. Its lightweight, portable design also makes it a great travel companion, allowing you to enjoy your favorite streaming services almost anywhere with an internet connection. Pros: affordable price, quick and easy setup, compact and portable, voice remote included. If you're looking for a budget-friendly streaming device that's incredibly easy to use every day, this is an excellent choice. Now it's time for our top recommendation. Number 1. Roku Streaming Stick 4K. And taking the #1 spot is the Roku Streaming Stick 4K, and it's my overall pick for the best 4K streaming device of 2026. This streaming stick delivers an outstanding balance of performance, picture quality, and ease of use. Support for Dolby Vision and HDR10+ allows compatible TVs to display brighter highlights, richer colors, and more detailed images, making movies, sports, and TV shows look their absolute best. What really earns it the top spot is its ability to deliver premium features without becoming complicated. It simply works, and it works exceptionally well. Pros: excellent 4K HDR picture quality, Dolby Vision and HDR10+ support, reliable long-range Wi-Fi, compact hidden design, outstanding balance of performance and value. If you're looking for the best 4K streaming device in 2026, the Roku Streaming Stick 4K is my overall recommendation because it offers the ideal combination of picture quality, reliability, user-friendly features, and long-term value for most households. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Those are my picks for the best 4K streaming devices of 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.